Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone supports an S Pen. This matters because different methods rely on built-in detection. Turn off distractions and set a bright lamp. Good lighting helps spot small objects. Once done, open the device's S Pen settings and enable any lost pen detection features. These broadcast the pen's last known status. If available, pair a Bluetooth finder now because connecting early saves time. Make sure batteries in any finder are fresh, otherwise, you'll waste minutes on false leads. You now execute a measured sweep, starting with the phone's Find S Pen or Find My Mobile. Trigger a ping and watch for last seen location. Move to highest probability zones first, couch seams, jacket pockets, backpack compartments, because most losses happen in transit. Once you've covered those, crouch and sweep low, your perspective changes and small edges become visible. Make sure to tap or press cushions lightly to shift hidden spots. Listen carefully for any stray magnet or click noises as you progress. You finish by retracing your exact steps from the last time you used the pen. Cars, laundromats, and trash bins are often overlooked. If the built-in ping fails, use a Bluetooth scanner app to detect weak S Pen signals. Walk slowly while monitoring signal strength and direction. Once you locate it, test functionality immediately. If it remains unrecoverable, disable the S Pen in device settings to prevent unintended actions, then order a replacement. Troubleshooting tip: if signals drop, remove interference and repeat scanning near the floor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.